Alright people, check it out. What just came into the yard, man? 1967 Chrysler Imperial. Let's start from the back on this one, just because the sun's behind me. You can tell she's been sitting for a little bit. Yeah, she's a Mordor. Man, look at that thing. Pretty straight car. At least she got some hail damage though. Yeah, I can feel a bunch of little hail damage on it. Oh yeah, it's junkyard straight, you know, because some people, they don't like it if, you know, you say it's straight and it's got little issues like this and this. The windshield looks good. I think I saw registration in there from 95, so it's at 0515. Almost 30 years. So I thought that 20 something, 27, whatever. Let's take a quick look on the in the trunk. That's a GM column right there. Looks like it. That looks like a Is that a Rochester? Found all these tools. I already looked in here. Some of them are snap-on, baby. About 2 or 3 of them are snap-on. One's a Kmart. I don't know. There's the service manual for it. I think that's that to check compression. Yeah, compression tester. Wonder if it's still good. Thermistor vacuum gauge. Look at that. Ain't that cool? That's freaking cool. That's some patches for bias ply tires. I hadn't seen one of these in a long time, man. Remember these glass Gatorade bottles, man? Remember these here? Man, I hadn't seen one of those in a minute. When I was a kid. A few other odds and ends. A spare hoe. I like this right here. That's pretty neat. Bumper jack, tire iron. This thing had a trunk release. Set that down. I think only that driver's side front door opens. Let's take a look underneath quick here. Ow! I don't know what's up with that rear. That bumper don't look too bad. Yeah, I can't open. The only one that's gonna open is the front driver's side. She's pretty worn, man. I think they swapped the front seat. Because it would have been red, as you can see, but it's moldy in here. It smells. There's the there's your mileage. Radio's gone. I thought the radio would be in the trunk. case things get little. Gotta have one of those pipes there ready, man. So we got, you know, full power locks, power windows, I think, right? Anyways, what else? Vent. Let's see what's in here. Like I said, I can't open that door. Let's see. Oh, we got the little vanity mirror right here. That's pretty cool. Keys. Are those the keys to it? I see some keys. A bunch of keys. What is that one? The Blackstone. I'm not sure what that is. Huh. I don't know what's up with that. Add a drop of water to what? Oh, we got a little bit of change. And nothing but pennies. Just gonna take it all out, man, because give me a second. It's pretty neat. There's I can see the owner's manual there. A few other odds and ends stuff. Stockyards. Security. Oh, look. Certified card right here. Look at that. That's neat. Yeah, look at that. Trunk release and your flashers. That's cool, man. Oh, alright, man. So we got power disc brakes down there. I'll put that back in a second. Also, let me see, it's in my pocket. This one is a I'm not sure if they were all this way. I don't know the Mopars like that. Yeah, I got the crown, so it's an Imperial crown that was in here. I don't think all of them came in as crowns, did they? Got the tilt and telescoping. Oh, these are so freaking cool. I like that, man. Heck yeah. Nice. Let's take a quick look under the hood, man, and I guess call it a wrap. She's all there under the hood, man. Let's get the that tag. Alright. No oil in it. But I did take the fan off, put a socket down there and turn her over with the ratchet, and now she does turn over. Wonder what was the reason that they parked it. Who knows? But yeah. Well, I think it's 67, right? They were these. It's a 440, and they were rated at 350 horsepower. This was in the trunk. Oh yeah, in the trunk. So, what do y'all think? Well, just thought I'd get a quick one of it. This isn't a quick, actually. This is kind of long, this video. So, alright, people. Pretty cool to see one of these old Mopars, man. These are rare sights in the yards these days. Rare, rare, rare. Well, alright. On to the next one. You know, I forgot to go back here into the back seat area. I thought that was pretty cool. Out of gas. That's pretty neat. Oh, look. I'm sure these are the keys. They were sitting right there. Pretty sure those are probably the keys to it. A few little odds and ends. I'd like to take the back seat out just to look, but I don't want to put people's info on there. Engine trouble. These signs will be useful if you have to leave your car unattended on the highway or on a busy street. Gone to get meter change. Engine trouble. That's freaking neat. Yep, I'll take that. And a bunch of I see Texaco. I see Texaco. Bunch of 2D navigation. Oh, I think I see some more little sockets. A couple more sockets. I'm not sure the brand. What's that say? I'm not sure. Can't see it in the light. What else we got in there? Will this make the video or be on the cutting room floor? I don't know. Is that for tire gauge? Imperial. Oh, man. I know the lights right here. There's more 2D. More 2D navigation. Dallas Fort Worth. I wonder how old this one is. I'll put that in one of my cars. Alabama. Let's pass through Mobile, Alabama. Oh, we got a Crown bag. Crown Royal. And another socket. One of these. I got one of these. What's that say? A multi-wrench. Taiwanism. 9mm. Got it in there? I guess so. Up there. Just some buck. Little McDonald's deal there. Just make sure we got these are the keys to it. That one's not. Oh man, goes through. Yeah, that sucks. Thought that would be it. Unless there's another one in here. Oh well. Anyways, alright people, that's gonna do it now, man. I just like, I like looking through the stuff. There might be even stuff under the seat here. Oh no, we can't even look with all the mechanism for the power seat. Alright people, that'll do her.